Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Rose watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. So please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because this reading is not for all Scorpios. For some of you, it could not be your story. It could not be your energy. So please, take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind. Okay, so my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Knight of Swords. This is the past situation. We also have the Five of Swords. This is the present situation. And we have the Star. This is the future. And the outcome of this reading is the Nine of Cups. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story and your energy, just leave it, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the past situation, is the Knight of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a person who has an air sign in their birth chart. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or it could also be that you have an Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra in your birth chart. I don't know which is your energy here. But normally, the Knight of Swords is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Or it could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Or a person who has an Aquarius in their birth chart. I feel like in the past, somebody was raging to communicate you. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. This person in the past wants to confront you. This person is a reckless, impulsive, and immature person. For some of you guys, you decline to communicate with this person. And for whatever reason, I feel like this person messed you up in the past. And you don't want to have confrontation with this person. You don't want to argue with this person. But this person in the past is trying to communicate with you because this is the past situation. This person was raging to communicate with you. It could also be that this person wants to confront you. Could also be that you have a conflict with this person, misunderstanding, grudges, or disagreement. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be that you are dealing with a younger person who has an immature mind, or this could be an adult who is immature. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be strategic, especially if you're going to communicate with this person. Because I feel like this person wants to argue with you, wants to confront with you. This person wants to utter you hurtful words. Because this person is mad. For most of you, you cut off the ties of this person. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. You also block this person in your social media and in your mobiles. And that's why this person hate it that they have no access in your life. And you are blocking the communication of this person in the past. You have nothing to do with this person. That's why this person is raging to communicate with you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Others of you, it could also that this is your energy towards this person, because the energy in this reading could be a reversal, or this is your energy. You are taking an action with a certain ideas because you have knowledge and you believe that you will succeed in this particular area of your life. This could be related to a new ideas, could also be a new project or a new perspective. This is in the past situation. For most of you, this is related to communication. Somebody here is raging to communicate with you. An impulsive, an immature, and reckless person. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be that you are dealing with a person who has an air sign in their birth chart. Just a minute. Oh my God. I'm sorry guys for the interruption. Normally, there is no advertisement, but I don't know. It was suddenly interrupted. This is my music in this reading, but I don't want to be interrupted. That's why I will read the card without music, because I don't like it. I don't like to have an advertisement and it will suddenly interrupted, and this is in a German language. So we will continue. We are now in the past. This is the Knight of Swords. Somebody here wants to communicate with you in the past. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please, why the Knight of Swords in this reading. Why the Knight of Swords? Please tell me more about the Knight of Swords in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Knight of Swords is clarified as Quadrat, Herausforderung, and Disharmony. This is Quadrat. Could be that you are dealing with the people who are in your corner. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbor. Yeah, because this is Quadrat. This person could be in your circle. Yeah, surround you. And I feel like this person in the past, I feel like they created too much disharmony in this situation. Could also be that this is a relationship. Somebody here created conflict in the past, and that's why somebody here wants to communicate with you. You remember, somebody here is raging to communicate with you in the past. This person could be in your circle. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And for most of you, you have experienced disharmony in this situation. And this person also give you too much challenges. It's because of jealousy and envy. This person could be jealous on you or envy with what you have, because there are people nowadays who are living the lives of other people. And this is normally the cause of troubles, conflict, and disagreement. Could be that you are dealing with a person who has an earth sign in their birth chart, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, but normally this is the energy of an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, and clarify me further why the Knight of Swords in this reading. Tell me more about the Knight of Swords, please. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Why the Knight of Swords, Tell me more about the Knight of Swords in this reading. Who is this Knight of Swords? It is clarified as light baby. Yeah. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person wants to dim your light because yours is shining bright. It could also be that this person couldn't stand your aura because you are so-called light baby. Light baby is that you are shining, and this person couldn't stand your aura. They doesn't want you to shine. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or you have an air sign in your birth chart. And this person in the past tried to dim your lights because they couldn't stand your aura. They doesn't want you to shine. This is the clarification. For some of you, it could also be that you are having a platform in social media and you've got lots of attention to people and you are giving enlightenment, hopes, and inspiration to other people. And this person could be stalking in your social media. I don't know. Or this person couldn't stand your aura because of your confidence, of your independency, and how you carry yourself to the world. And that's why this person couldn't stand your aura. This person in the past is raging to communicate with you. This person is planning to hurt you, to confront you, to utter you hurtful words in the past. But I feel like for most of you, you decline to communicate with this person because this person messed you up in the past. This person caused you too much disharmony, burdens in the past. This person engaged you in a real situationship that you cause too much burdens and challenges, and you don't like this person. That's why you cut off the ties of this person, because for you this person is enough. You don't want to communicate with them, and that's why I feel like this person in the past didn't communicate with you because you declined the communication from this person. All they wants to do is to dim your lights. You look, because you are the light baby. Your light is shining bright and this person doesn't want you to shine. This person is envy and jealous of your aura. And if they wants to have a confrontation with you, they wants you to lower your vibes, to be like them. Because this person or group of people are the people who are having a low self-esteem. They have a low vibes energy. And they doesn't want you to be in the higher level. They wants you to be like them. And they piss off because you are no longer communicating with them anymore. You are no longer dealing with your energy to them, to this person who embodied the energy of an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And the present is the Five of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, again, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a person who has an air sign in their birth chart, or you are the one who has an air sign in your birth chart. Remember, your first card is also an air sign. The Knight of Swords and the Five of Swords. This is the present situation. This person is mad. This person is angry with you. For some of these people, guys, because this could not be one person, this could be as well a group of people who are involved in this situation. It could be that this is only one person who hate you, and this person manipulated other minds of the other people, because this person wants to have, group collaboration. And these are the groups of low vibes people, because I feel like it's only one person who are angry with you, who don't like you, and this person could be spreading lies and rumors about you. They slandered your name. They are backstabbing you, and for some of these people, they are gossiping you without end. This is a present situation, you remember. And since you are no longer dealing with your energy to them, you cut off the ties and they have no access in your life. They are feeling defeated by you. For some of these people, they want to attack you. Because you are no longer dealing with them anymore. You choose your battles wisely. If this is your energy towards this person, the universe advises you to surrender this battle, because this is not your battles. This is the battle of some people who are triggered with your aura, who are triggered because you cut off the ties of these people. For whatever reason, this person or group of people caused too much havoc and destruction in your life. And I fully understand if you are no longer communicating with them anymore. If you are keeping distance yourself, you cut off the ties, you have not given any access of this person or group of people. This person or group of people could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. And I feel like they are feeling defeated. For some of them, they are mad. They are planning to sabotage you. Remember, this is the present situation. They doesn't want you to react. And that's why they are planning to sabotage you, because they want you to react in order for you to lower your vibes. Yeah. And be very careful, especially if you're going to deal with this person or group of people. Others of you, you are becoming intelligent because of this person or group of people. You have learned your lesson in the past. And you are no longer dealing with them anymore. But they are still in your energy. This is the present situation. They are planning to sabotage you, to manipulate you. It could also be that these are the people who are planning to engage bullying, mobbing. I don't know who is this person. They want to hurt you because they don't like it that you are no longer communicating with them anymore. In the past, they are raging to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And you decline because you are enough with their BS. You have gone through a lot in your life. You look, the first card is the swords and the second card is also the swords. The 5 of swords and the 6 of swords could also be a group of people, a collaboration of people or group of people, which is composed of 5 and plus 1 is 6. They are collaborating to lower your vibes. They are collaborating and planning. They're strategizing how to sabotage you, how to engage you in a conflict and drama, because they don't like it that you are no longer communicating with them anymore. You cut off the ties. They want you to be like them, who are having a low self-esteem, because this person or group of people are living the lives of other people instead of living themselves. They are not happy with their own lives. They are insatiable. For some of these people, guys, I feel like they have more resources than you, or you have the same resources, but they are not happy. They are not contented with their own lives. It's because if they are happy and contented with their own lives, why they are intervening in your lives? Because they hate it. They cannot manipulate you. They couldn't mock you down. They couldn't bully you because you are no longer engaging with them anymore, right? I feel like for most of you, you have seen these people or this group of people, but you are skeptical. You never trust this person or group of people because this group of people are gossiping and spreading lies about you. They are slandered your name and ruining your reputation. You know why? Because of jealousy and envy. And these are rampant nowadays. There are people who are living the lives of other people instead of living themselves. The universe advises you to surrender your battles. This is not your battle. This is the problem of other people. If you are going to surrender this battle, you will receive a clear and clean victory. Continue to meditate and pray for these people, because these people are triggered because they are feeding their demons. Your spirits irritates their demons. These are the people who are low vibes because they are only concerned of jealousy and envy. They are only feeding the demons in their mind. Because of jealousy and envy, they hate you, and they will try everything in order for you to engage this conflict and drama. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a group of people. You remember, they couldn't stand your light because you are a light baby. Your light is shining bright and they don't like it. Especially you are no longer dealing with them anymore because they couldn't manipulate you. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me please why the 5 of Swords in this reading. Tell me more about the 5 of Swords, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the 5 of Swords here in this reading? The 5 of Swords is clarified as conjunction. This is merger and energy. For some of you guys, somebody here wants to amend the situation, the conflict, the grudges, the disagreement. They want to have a win-win situation. This is like 2 companies and they needs your opinion and their opinions to bring it into one. This is two companies, like the two companies together in one, and with having one goal and one vision. And this is good for everybody. This is good for both parties. Yeah, this is a win-win situation. Somebody here wants to amend the conflict, the grudges, the disagreement. That's why in the past somebody wants to communicate with you. This person is raging to communicate with you, the Knight of Swords. But I feel like you decline to communicate with them because you are tired and sick with their BS. Yeah, this person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me further. Why then Five of Swords in this reading? Why the Five of Swords? Please tell me more about the Five of Swords in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Five of Swords, please? The Five of Swords is clarified as the Seven of Earth. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign or an air sign. Yeah, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. I feel like this person wants you to show your feelings towards on them. This is like a running stag. This is regardless of your gender. There is an animal instinct inside us. And I feel like for some of you guys, this person is aggressive. You are dealing with this person. This is like animalistic behavior. Yeah. It could also that this person wants to, wants to show your feelings on them. If you are angry, if you are happy, because they wants to control your life. Yeah, this is a running stag. This could be related to a person who is having a feelings on you, and they couldn't show your feelings. They couldn't show their feelings towards on you because I feel like they are hesitant to tell you about their feelings. You remember, somebody here wants to communicate with you in the past. I don't know. This could be a raging emotions. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You remember, somebody who wants to offer you a win-win situation. For some of these people, guys, they wants to mock you down, but since they couldn't, maybe they realize that they will not win. And there is a saying that if you cannot bet them, you join them. This is the reason why somebody here wants to offer you a win-win situation. You remember, your light is shining bright. You are a light baby. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and this is the future, the star. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, again, a person who is in the public eye, or you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart, or you are in the public eye, or both of you is in the public eye. I don't know which is your story here. Remember, the Five of Swords, the Knight of Swords is normally embodied energy of an Aquarius plus the star. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a person who's an Aquarius in their birth chart. I don't know which is your story here, because this is not a personal reading. For most of you, you choose to heal. You are no longer dealing with this person anymore because you choose to heal the trauma, the wound which was caused with this person or group of people in the past. But they are not finished. They want to engage you in drama and conflict because this is the present situation. They are strategizing to sabotage you. Be very careful. Always meditate and pray. And they don't like it because your light is shining bright. You look the star. They couldn't believe that you choose to heal, that you find the light after what they have done to you. In fact, they want to mock you down. And I feel like they are not successful. And that's why somebody here wants to offer you a win-win situation, to amend the situation. But this person or group of people couldn't stand your aura. Your light is shining bright, plus the star. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is your feelings after the devastated storm in the past, which was caused with this person or group of people. You have found the light at the end of the tunnel. It could also be that you choose to have peace and serenity in your surroundings than to be with this person or group of people. That's why I fully understand if you cut off the ties of this person or group of people, because you prioritize your peace, the tranquility in your surroundings. It could also be that you are recuperating. That's because of the past situation created with this person or group of people who caused too much havoc and destruction in your life. It could also be that this person wants to heal the trauma, the grudges, the conflict between you and them. Remember, they want to amend the situation. This is a win-win situation. They want to offer you this. That's why they want to communicate with you in the past. But still be very careful because they are planning to sabotage you. This is the present situation. These are the haters, the envious, the jealousy people in your life, in your surroundings. Remember, this could be in your corner because Quadrat is in your corner, in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Yeah. And the universe advises you to be very strategic in this situation, especially if they're going to communicate with you, because they want you to lower your vibes. They don't like you to shine. They hate it that your aura is shining bright. You are the star and you are the light baby. You look. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, or you have an air sign in your birth chart for some of you. I don't know which is your story here. It could also be that this person is in the public eye or you are in the public eye. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are having a platform in the social media, and I feel like you are stepping into the limelight. Or it could also be that this person is feeling inspired by you, or somebody here wants to heal the trauma. I don't know which is your story here. It could also be that this person viewed you as a healer and they wants you to heal with their grudges between you and them. They wants to offer you a win-win situation. This could be an amendment. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, but more on Aquarius energy, because the star, the Five of Swords, and the Knight of Swords is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me please. Why the star in this reading? Tell me more about the star in this reading. Why the star in this reading, please, for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Tell me more about the star in this reading. The star is clarified as Jupiter, ideal and wide. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Pisces or a Sagittarius. And this person could be in the public eye. I don't know which is your story here. Or you are the one who is in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. Yeah. I feel like this person wants to heal the trauma, the grudges, the conflict between you and them. This person could be a new person or your ex. Could be an ex-fan, ex-colleague, I don't know, exes. And it could also be a new person. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces, Sagittarius, or an Aquarius. It could also that this person is feeling inspired by you. And since they couldn't beat you because your light is shining bright, they wants to amend the conflict, the grudges between you and them. Because as what I have said, if they couldn't beat you, they will join you. Remember, this could be an air sign, Aquarius, a Pisces, or Sagittarius, because Jupiter is a ruling planet of Sagittarius and one of the ruling planets of Pisces. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father, why the star in this reading. Tell me more about the star here, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. Why the star in this reading? Tell me more about the star here, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The star is clarified as 4 of air. You see, it is clarified as an air sign. You are dealing with an air sign, could be Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, but more on Aquarius energy. Or you are dealing with Pisces and or Sagittarius. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Yeah. For some of you, you are interrupting the communication with this person. You are resting. You don't want to communicate with this person. You have nothing to do with this person. You are, recuperating. It's because of the situation in the past caused with this person. You don't want to do with this person anymore. You have nothing to do with this person anymore. You are resting. You look, or you are advised her to take a rest. Because I feel like you are feeling overwhelmed in this situation, and I fully understand you if you are resting, if you don't want to communicate or entertain with this person, because somebody here in the past is raging to communicate with you, the Knight of Swords, and you decline to communicate with them because you don't want troubles. You prioritize your peace, the serenity in your surroundings, the tranquility in your surroundings. You choose to heal, the trauma which was caused by this person or group of people. You are resting. You are recuperating. You are not, they want to sabotage, they want you to engage in conflict and drama, but you are not dealing with them anymore. You choose your battles wisely, and that you are resting. You prioritize your inner peace, the tranquility of your surroundings. Yeah, you are resting. You look, this could be that you are continuing the healing journey, your healing journey, especially with the past situation created with this person or group of people. Could also be a group of people, because the 5 of Swords is not only one. Could also be a collaboration. They want to mark you down because they are jealous. They are triggered with your aura because your light is shining bright. The star and the light baby. Yeah. And since they couldn't manipulate you, they couldn't beat you, they want to offer you a win-win situation. They want to amend the conflict, the disagreement, the grudges between you and them. Just a minute. Oh my gosh, twice interruption. Sorry guys, another interruption. Somebody call me. Okay. And I feel like that you are resting. You are prioritizing your peace, your inner peace, and the serenity, the tranquility of your surroundings. Take only what fits in your story, and the outcome is, this is the 9 of Cups. You look, you are prioritizing your inner peace. You are choosing to heal the trauma, the grudges, the conflict between you and this person. And in the end, this is the outcome is your wish fulfillment. Yeah. This could be that all your wishes coming true, because this is your wish. For some of you, it could also be that you are contented with your life. This is a feeling of contentment, an emotional fulfillment. Yeah. And if you are dealing with this person could be viewing you as their wish fulfillment. This person could be daydreaming and fantasizing on you. This person could be drinking too much. This person could be a fellow water sign. Normally, the 9 of Cups is embodied the energy of a Pisces. Or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a person who has a Pisces in their birth chart. I don't know which is your energy here. But there are still people here who are engaged in this reading. An air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could also be a Sagittarius and or Pisces. This is the outcome. You have your wish fulfillment. Even though they try to sabotage your work, they try to sabotage you, they want to lower your vibes, they are trying to mock you down, they are spreading lies and rumors about you, they tried to ruin your reputation, they are gossiping about your life, because these are the people who are jealous, the haters. They are jealous and envy of your life, and that's why they are still trying to mock you down, to lower your vibes, because they couldn't stand your aura. You are the light, baby, and you are the star. And aside from that, you end up the communication with this person or group of people. You cut off the ties. You are no longer dealing with them anymore, because they cause too much havoc and destruction in your life. They cause too much pain and troubles in your mind and in your heart. And I fully understand if you are no longer dealing with them anymore, because look, you are resting, you are recuperating, you are rejuvenating yourself, you pamper yourself. You don't want to communicate with this person or group of people anymore. You choose to have peace and tranquility in your surroundings. And because of that, they want to amend the situation. They want to offer you a win-win situation. This person could be a Pisces, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, but more on Aquarius energy, because 3 times confirm Aquarius, the star. Yeah. Could also be Sagittarius, and an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. It could also be that this is a collaboration of this person or group of people who tried to ruin your reputation, who tried to lower your vibes, because they doesn't want you to shine. They hate it that you're shining bright. Remember, you are the light, baby, and the star. And that's why. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the 9 of Cups here? Tell me more about the 9 of Cups for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The 9 of Cups is clarified as Scorpio, the Mystiquean. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person viewed you as their wish fulfillment. This person could be a Pisces or a fellow Scorpios. It could also be that this person is drinking too much. It could also be that this person viewed you that you are living in a lavish way of life. You are, enjoying your freedom. You have an emotional fulfillment. This person could be either a Pisces or a fellow Scorpios, and they're daydreaming on you, and this is the outcome. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that ends your readings. I hope you enjoy it. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. I love you all. Bye.